Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix one overheating issue while gaming in Samsung Galaxy S21. If you're using Galaxy S21 and you're facing the issue that your phone is overheating when you are playing any game, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to scroll down your control center and just disable unnecessary connections from here. You have to make sure that Bluetooth, unrotated while calling, mobile data, location, and do not disturb or any other unnecessary connection is disabled if you can. So you can try to disable the Wi-Fi also. Then go back from here and make sure that go to your phone settings here, and in your phone settings you can go ahead to display and just select and motion smoothness, select I from here to get a better gaming performance also and prevent heating issue. It might give you 90 Hz screen display rate. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. You can also go ahead to battery here and just try to check which app is using more battery in your background, so you can try to disable that or try to completely remove that from your phone. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to settings again here, go to software update section, make sure that your software is up to date. Click on check for updates, check for the pending latest software updates here. And once your phone has been updated, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.